such a crappy day outside. But I take that crappy day and I turn it into making a video vlog. And probably raining for like 2 days or something like that. And I wish it would stop. But rain. Everybody, let's sing the rain song. What is that behind me? It's me editing a video, guys, for you guys. Jonathan's Quest. Yeah. I probably got like 57 minutes without an hour of it done. And I still got a lot more to go. And I am hoping that it will be up by Sunday, because, you know, it's too slow. But, yeah, I got 57 to about an hour left. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. But it's going to be in HD in about 11-minute video in HD. Takes about 300, 400 minutes, like I said, like yesterday or something like that. But I wonder how much an hour would be. Like about 2-3 hours. Not too, it ain't be 2-3 hours. But I wonder how much like 70 minutes, 80 minutes would take to upload. So I don't know when I was gonna do that. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright. Goodbye.